Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got an extremely high quality 1937 Chevy street rod pickup truck right here. This thing is nice, the fit and finish. I drove it home. It's impressive. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, study over 100 pictures, get the price, not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector vehicles all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. But for right now, why don't you join me? Let's go for a spin in this pick-em-up truck. I got it from a high-end collector. We did some trading. Again, the fit and finish is outstanding. This is not mediocre by anyone's standards. High-quality car. It's all steel cab from California, no rust. I just got to show you this. I love how doors shut real nice. And that's perfect. It's got a 2.5-inch chop, all smoked glass, new chrome handles. I like handles. I don't like the remotes as much. The gap around the door is phenomenal. It's laser beam straight everywhere. This is a new reproduction box. These are fiberglass fenders because they're extra wide for the big tires. So obviously in back, no bumper. It's got the roll pan, some nice tail lights with blue dots, recessed license plate. It's got some nice hinges or latches inside so you can open the tailgate. It's all metal. Again, these are fiberglass, but they're just as straight as the rest of the truck. It's got red welting in between the panels, stainless steel hardware everywhere. Look at the smoked glass, got a mirror, got stainless steel pins on the hinges, and just absolutely straight, even to the touch. It's just slick. It still has the crank-out windshield, which I'll show you in a minute. It has the cowl that opens, chrome emblem. These are the original headlight assemblies, the buckets, the bezel, everything. And this is a reproduction stainless steel waterfall grille. Obviously, custom little bumperettes. Got some really nice triple chrome-plated wheels. Underneath the truck, it's all frame-off restored. It has the original type frame. It's all stripped and painted black. Up front is a Mustang 2 front end with independent suspension. Has upper tubular control arms, a rack and pinion steering. It's got disc brakes, custom exhaust with the X pipe, and you see the GT style tips coming out the back. Turbo 350 has been rebuilt, has an external cooler, has a stall converter. It's a Ford 8-inch rear end with a cruising gear. It's a 279 gear in back. Under this truck is immaculate. Down to the last clip, the last cotter pin, everything under the truck is new, rebuilt, or restored. It's beautiful underneath this truck. Let me open it up for you. I'm 6 foot. I fit in there very comfortably. It's genuine leather seats on the bucket seats, soft leather with a red piping. All the door panels and map pocket, everything is so meticulously done. It's painted just as nice in the jambs and across the dash. The whole inside of the cab is upholstered. The back, the headliner, just the dash is all painted. Here's the crank-out windshield. Nice custom gauges, an Ididit tilt column that's polished with a mahogany, really nice steering wheel. Underneath the hood here is a 350 motor with a tri-power, so it's kind of cool. Actually, it's very cool. It's a 1970 350 motor, so it has some good horsepower, good compression. It's been completely rebuilt. It's been bored. It's been balanced. It has roller rockers, has aluminum heads. It's a polished, I think it's an Offenhauser intake with the 3 carbs. All 3 carbs are hooked up, has electric choke. All the fuel lines are nice, neat, bent lines with nice fittings, has a fuel regulator. a billet Mallory ignition system, and the wires are all run through a nice billet holder. Nice Edelbrock finned aluminum valve covers. It's a sharp looking motor compartment. Inside the bed, it's refinished oak with all stainless strips, stainless hardware. The gas has been relocated to the floor of the bed. There's a red car cover you might have noticed that comes with it. Getting back inside here, nice white face gauges. It's got a lokar floor shifter, all the pedals, emergency brakes on the floor. Everything is super nice. Billet handles. Start it up for you. I'm trying to read the odometer. I don't have my glasses on. Oh, that's the wiper. There's the headlights. It says 9,200 miles. If that's true, someone took immaculate care. I would guess it looks like it had no miles on it, honestly. Polished firewall, it's got headers, aluminum radiator with a big electric fan. It's got the polished overflow tube, chrome alternator, chrome pulleys, chrome water pump. It does not have air conditioning. It has a vintage heat system. I tell you what, this cowl, this opening windshield sure lets a lot of fresh air through there. Look how nice that is. It's got retractable seat belts, 3-point seat belts. Oh, that's nice. This is just a class act. I'm telling you, this thing is done nice. I drove it home. Our parking lot's pretty bumpy and it's idling. I'm thinking, oh, this thing's going to be a rattle trap. I got out on the road and the whole rest of the way home, this thing is just smooth and tight as can be. You can hit the bumps. I was really pleasantly surprised at how nice this drove. It was not a rattle trap. It was the opposite of that. It was a very tight, great handling truck. It wasn't squirrely. It did everything right. One of those, one hand on the wheel, and you can actually just relax and enjoy the ride. It ran great, didn't stall at the stoplight, didn't do any of the quirky things that these old cars can do. Go to volocars.com. There's plenty of ways to contact our staff, help answer any questions or concerns you have about the vehicle, the process. We offer financing, we offer delivery. Let us know how we can help you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.